Hey there, Full-Time Freedom Team. Happy October. So we're in the 10th month of the year. And what does 10 mean? Can you hear my stomach growling? It's almost 10 o'clock and I eat at 10 o'clock. So anyway, 10 means increase. So if you will decrease what you think you know and just do what we're commanded to do, and that is to give joyfully, give cheerfully, then your money actually changes dominions, okay? So if you're not giving, I want to encourage you to find a place to give. Now, if somebody's asking you for money and they're not showing you how to get that money multiplied back to you, I would give someplace different. That's just me, but I would give someplace different. So I have a few businesses. I have multiple income streams. Let me see what kind of money I have in here. And I have a tools business that helps people to have marketing tools for their business, okay? Costs $10 a month. You help a few people. You have the potential to multiply this $10 to $10,000 a month. It just depends on your efforts. So I have a marketing system that I use. It's like $24. I don't have $4, so can't show you for an extra $4. But anyway, show people how to use tools to multiply their business and grow it, primarily network marketers. I have a $20 business that has travel, savings, things like that. We can multiply this to about $3,000 a month in 7 weeks or so, just helping a few people. Keeping it super simple, guys. If it's simple, if it's not simple, I'm not doing it. You can count me out. Then I have a $100 business that can multiply this $100 decision to $16,000 a month in about 7 weeks or so. So there are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary, and you determine your financial results. I'm a living witness of that. When I changed my mind, businesses started to come into my experience, and I had the choice to say yes or no. Thank God I said yes, woo, because my life was headed for disaster. So I'm grateful that I took personal responsibility. I said, it can't be God's fault. It must be mine. I'm taking personal responsibility. And my life started to change in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, okay? Now I know how to help people do that in my own personal business. I know how to help people change that in 1 minute. So start getting better results. So anyway, I don't know if what I do is for you or not. All I know is that I'm grateful that when I went to bed last night, I didn't necessarily look at my income, but I knew about what it was, and I woke up to more money than I went to bed with. And every month, my income has been going up and up and up and up as a result of helping people. So if you'd like to help people, if you're looking for a place to multiply some money by helping people, money comes through people. So let's connect. 618-223-6006. There are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary. I hope this is the best year yet for you. I hope that you're making a decision every single day to live your dreams. You see, if you work for somebody else, you're living their dreams, okay? You need to decide to start living your dreams for you and your family. It's all a decision. I decide for me, you get to decide for you. And so guys, thank you so much, Full-Time Freedom Team. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so grateful for each of you because our team was created before the foundation of creation. So I know that all of us are here for a purpose. And God knew what you needed before you did. And so if you've already said yes, but you haven't taken the action behind that yes, you got to make a decision and make it right. Make a decision, make it right. Do you hear my stomach growling? I eat every day at about 10 o'clock. do intermittent fasting. And so it's almost 10 o'clock. And so my body knows that it's almost time to eat. But let me tell you how it started. I had to train my body to only eat from 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock every day. And so now it's just a habit. So anyway, create some great habits. My acrostic for habit is habitual action begins in thought. Habitual action begins in thought. And so I don't know if you can hear my stomach or not, but it's kind of loud. So anyway, have yourself a fantastic day. Thank you so much. I love you. God's best to you. Talk soon.